In this video, we will see how to add watermark brand image to our videos in our YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're viewing my video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. Adding a YouTube video watermark brand image allows improved brand awareness and channel recognition. Click YouTube profile icon on the left and next click YouTube Studio Beta tab. Next, on YouTube Studio page, click Settings on the left-hand side. Next, under YouTube Studio Settings pop-up page, click Channel tab. Next, click Branding option on the right side. Next, click Choose Image button link and then you can choose a watermark brand image from your computer. Once added, you can see this is how the watermark brand for all your YouTube video is going to look like in the bottom right. Next, here you have 3 options to display the watermark on your YouTube video. End of the video option, it will be displayed for 15 seconds or less based on your video length. Second option, you can enter the start time from when you want the watermark to be visible until the video ends. Third option allows your watermark to be visible during the entire duration of your video from beginning to the end. I prefer the third option, allows increased brand display and channel recognition. And finally, click Save button to save the changes we made. This is how the watermark brand image will be visible to the video viewer while the whole video is being watched. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we add new content, and also like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Thank you.